Hi, my name is Tiffany Dahlquist. I'm excited to get started for the semester, so here is my introduction. Right now, I'm currently living in Grand Forks, North Dakota, which is in the Central Time Zone. I graduated in December of 2016 from UND. I graduated with a major of elementary education and early childhood education, so I did a double major. And currently I'm working towards a master's degree in reading education. Currently, I just finished my first semester of the graduate program, and one of the books that really stuck out to me and that I want to go back and reread is the book Amplify. I really liked how it brought the technology piece into the classroom, and it gave some good ideas on how to do that. I have a commute every day of about half an hour, so I do a lot of books on CD. The one that I'm currently reading or listening to is Double Cross by James Patterson. I really like the mystery series, so this one has been fun to listen to and try and figure out along with the story. And then one that I just got for Christmas that I'm actually reading with my students is The Kid President's Guide to Being Awesome. It's something that is really beneficial for me to be reading because it gives some reminders like, put your technology down for a little bit and make sure that you're in the moment, but it's also a good lesson for the kids, and they really like all the subtle little jokes that Kid President puts in there. So recently, after I graduated, I subbed for a semester. I did a couple long-term subbing and then also some just regular day-to-day kind of subbing for that semester. After that, I went and I taught preschool for about 6 months. That was the summer after I graduated, and then the beginning part of the following school year. Around November, I got a call from one of the schools in Grand Forks, and they were looking for an instructional paraprofessional, and I ended up applying for the job, and I got it. So I was an instructional para for about 8 months. That was a good experience because I was able to work with the special education team at that school, and so I was able to get a whole new look at what their program is all about and some of the things that they need to do on a daily basis, from seeing what kind of behaviors they need to handle day to day to little things like shuffling paras around. So that was a really interesting experience because I got to see part of the school system that I probably wouldn't have been able to see outside of that. After that, I taught summer school reading and math, both the summer right after being the instructional para and this past summer. And the last 2 years, I've been teaching third grade on the military base right outside of Grand Forks. This has been a very interesting experience because getting to work in town and then working out on the military base, there are some aspects of the job that are just night and day. I remember it was super exciting whenever we would get a new student or someone was leaving in the middle of the school year when I was working in town and out on the base. That's an everyday thing where it's constantly a revolving door. Kids are coming, kids are going, and you never know what you're going to get. So it's been quite an experience being out there. My family, you might notice a little theme going on in all these pictures. I recently got married this past summer. My husband and I have been together for over 6 years now. You can see up in this top one, that's us actually, getting married. But then family is very, very important to me, so I included a lot of pictures of them. His family is split, so we have his dad's side down here, and then his mom's side over here, and then my family is down in this corner. My sisters are very important to me. They are someone that I can really talk to and kind of lean on. So they were a big part of the day. We have 2 nephews and 1 niece. The little boy that my husband's holding is my nephew from his side of the family, and then the little boy that I'm holding, as well as the flower girl, they are from my side. And then I have a picture here of myself and my flower girl. She is also my goddaughter on top of being my niece. Very close to my family. I talk to at least one person from my immediate family every single day. So they're a big part of my life. A little bit about me. I really love to cook and to bake. Those are kind of my relaxing things when I really need to just calm down or kind of think through some things. I know that I can always just jump in the kitchen. I can make something. I really love to share it. So every once in a while I'll bring things to school and share with the people that I work with daily. My husband and I both really enjoy fishing, and we are part of a remote control car racing club. So that's something that he and I like to do together. Every month we have a race. So, and then finally, my expectations for this class. I picked these pictures because it kind of shows where I want to go. I know my students get very frustrated with writing. I struggle teaching it. I'm going to be completely honest. So I'm really excited to take this class so that hopefully I can become a better and more effective writing teacher. I'm always trying to better myself, and I'm hoping that I can translate that to helping my students. Well, I am excited to get to know all of you, and I will be talking with you guys soon.